Micron Clean is actually an old company. It's been in my family for 3 generations. So my grandfather bought it in the 1930s, and at that stage it was a very traditional laundry, and there were 4,000 or so laundries around the UK. That has completely changed. Whilst we still have a traditional element to the business, we still have a daily round for domestic customers. In fact, the business has moved into textile rental, particularly garment rental, over the years, and we've been instrumental in developing that in the UK. Now, our primary area of operation is to supply cleanroom customers for the pharmaceutical and microelectronics industries, but also garment rental to food and industry generally.
I look after all the production environments in Skegness. We've got 4 environments where we've got 2 clean rooms and a laundry, which is a traditional old laundry, and also we've got the firepower system, which is PPE. The laundry is a traditional laundry. This services all the restaurants and hotels with fen hire, which is sheets, towels, pillow slips for the bedrooms, and also for the restaurants it is the tablecloths what go on all the tables in the restaurants. These are all high quality finished items to make the restaurants look really prestige.
This room is a Class 4 clean room. What we do is we fold the garments to the customer specification. We wash all the garments in batches. This creates a batch number which is traceable back to the wash load. Once the garments have come out of the washing machine, they are separated into 2 dryers with the batch boards on. This then is held in a smaller stainless steel truck. From this point, the team leader of the area will indicate to the customer and what fold is required.
The fire and rescue, obviously they go out into fires and they get really oily and dirty, and car fires and whatever, and when they get too much oil on them, they have to send them in for cleaning, because it comes a fire risk to them with having oil on the garments. So when the garments come into us, we clean them in our special process, which is built specially for the fire brigades garments. They rely on us fully to get them clean, because they go out into fires where if there's any contamination on these garments, then it is a fire risk, or if they've got dampness on the garments, then they can scorch them inside on their arms. In the heart of the system in Micron Clean, we have got a SCADA system. The SCADA system is the heart of the quality process in Micron Clean, and this is basically monitoring all the wash processes and the drying processes. And if we have a failure in any way on the processes, then an alarm will come on SCADA, and this makes sure that we stop the process at that point and deal with the alarm, what's gone wrong.
I think my proudest innovation to date has been the design and building of our Louth facility, which really is quite unique in the world. It certainly was when we built it, and as far as I know it still is today. And we developed a lot of very specialised equipment to run the plant. We designed it around the use of radio frequency identification, RFID, in the garments, and we'd been playing with that for a number of years previously, just scanning garments in and out. But having learnt the technology, we then designed software that would use the chips to drive the garments around the plant and to operate the equipment. So we have automatic folding based on the chip. We have sortation, so we can take 4,500 garments and sort them into a unique order. And we have a clean room facility at the same time. So a highly automated plant with a clean room facility, very high quality levels, and there is nothing else like that in the UK really, or the rest of the world. So yeah, I'm very proud of that. And we have many other innovations, but I think that's the one that really stands out above the others.
Micron Clean at Louth offers a fully managed processing service for protective uniforms across a wide range of industries. The customer base is far-reaching, but includes anything from small operators, perhaps with a handful of employees, such as a local garage or butcher shop, up to the very well-known household names making cars, health aids, pharmaceuticals and food products. The Louth facility is a modern purpose-built facility and was the first fully integrated site in Europe to use RFID technology. The ProTrack garment management system allows large amounts of the process to be automated by multiple scanning of the garment as it passes through the process.
This is the part that we're actually checking in the soiled garments into the plant. The whole idea is to use a scanning process to screen this RFID tag, which is enclosed in every single garment that we have. So at this process we're actually checking the garment for the soiling levels, emptying the pockets of any debris that's been left, and checking it into a process batch. So electronically we now scan the garments and we can tell that it's arrived on site and it's part of a process batch going through the plant.
The state-of-the-art plant was carefully designed to control the flow of soiled work arriving at the plant all the way through an ISO Class 6 clean room and onto a sophisticated and largely automated garment storage system.
Within the clean room we're actually carrying out the finishing stage of the process. So we start with the damp garments that are then processed through a tunnel finisher. Quite high temperatures, up to about 170 degrees centigrade, which will take care of the drying process of the garments. Once it's tracked through there, it then goes on to an inspection process where we carry out an inline inspection of every garment. The electronic tag is it's read at the reading station and it gives all of the information required to the inspector so that they can carry out an inline inspection.
We build a process to support the type of customer that we are dealing with. Process monitoring tools and management procedures ensure that the garments are processed in strict accordance to their needs at various critical control points.
Okay, we're actually in the sortation room at the moment, and this is collating all of the final items into their respective customer needs, whether it be by department or by locker spot, any particular activity level that they need. We can then determine and pack those garments out into the right sequence. At each stage of this process we're using the RFID traceability to calculate the end requirement for that garment, whether it be down a certain distribution line and going into particular contexts such as garment pack sizes, and it might even be into customer locations, different delivery points. And this will handle in the region of 4,000 garments every hour going through the process, and as many customers as you like with very different requirements for their end packaging and delivery points.
My name's Greg Cochrane, I'm the Research and Development Manager at Micron Clean. Perhaps the basis of our success at the moment is our clean room garment rental service. It's something we've specialised in now for 20 years or so. We've developed it continuously over that time, whether that be from a quality management point of view or a product and service point of view. I think we feel we are the experts at providing clean room garment rental services in the UK. That makes us unique in that beta is a sporicidal chemical that can be used in clean rooms that's non-corrosive. That is unique actually in the marketplace, and we hope will build on the success of our clean room mopping service and really allow us to kick on and develop more business. Because of the knowledge that we've developed in clean room cleaning, we also now, having developed products and services, now offer actually a clean room cleaning service where we have trained operators that visit customer sites and either perform commissioning cleans, so after builds or major engineering work, or routine cleaning. I think Micron Clean holds a privileged position with its customers, being a trusted provider of high quality products and services to clean room industries. I think that gives us an opportunity to develop strong working relationships with our customers and really get to know them and understand their problems. I think that tends to be the seed for new product development projects. I've deliberately positioned Micron Clean to be the industry innovator. So that's because I have a passion really for developing technology and service levels. Our main way of keeping ahead of the competition is through differentiation, I think. First of all, it comes from, I think, a commitment to research and development. So having a research and development department and having a business that I think is committed to constantly improving. And that sort of ethos of innovation, high service levels, doing for customers what the best we can, pervades the company. and drives our strategy about where we should go. So we develop new products, new services, and I think we are very different to anybody else.
We managed to differentiate ourselves. We're a relatively small, relatively agile business.
Customers should come to Micron Clean because we're different to other businesses. We offer a very high level of service. We work with customers to do things that other businesses, other laundries and other consumable suppliers can't do. So if a customer wants innovation, wants the best, wants high quality, wants their company, the service to their company to work like clockwork, then they should come to us.